Hey guys, today we're going to be making Manzanita cider. Let's get started. So first off, obviously you're going to need to find yourself a manzanita tree. They're very identifiable by their red bark. So we're going to make some with the green berries, but we're also going to make some with these red berries. So we'll see the taste difference, or if there is a difference in taste. Time-lapse mode. Okay, so we got off all the stems. Now I'm going to just rinse all like the dirt and other debris off, and then we can move on to our next step. Okay, so I measured my berries, and I have about 1 cup. So we're going to put 4 cups of water in this pot. Okay, so we're going to turn on the oven and wait till that's boiling, and then we'll add our crushed berries. Okay, so we have our boiling water. Now we're going to just pour our berries in. There we go. And then we'll take it off the heat and let it start cooling down. And just try and grind it up. It's been cooling for about half an hour. So I'm going to just try finish mushing all these berries. Okay, so it's been sitting for about 12 hours. Let's see what it looks like. You can tell that it's kind of changed color, the water. Let's put it in a glass bottle. So then I just did the same thing with all the red manzanita berries, except I'm pretty sure the tree I got the red ones from had an infestation of bugs, because I only got about a tablespoon of good berries, but we're still going to make those ones just for a little taste test. Okay guys, so they're both done. They've both been sitting for 12 hours. Now it's just time for the taste test. I think, let's try the green manzanita cider first. Here we go. So to me, it tastes like very bitter lemonade. In my opinion, it's a very strong taste. It's good. It's just very strong taste. I feel like I could only drink a little of that at a time. Okay, now here's my red my red manzanita cider. I don't think I'll ever stop calling it apple cider. Here we go. That is a very different taste. This one is bitter. The green is definitely bitter. The red is very sweet. They're about tied for me. Maybe I might like this one a little more. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.